Hello everyone. It's going to be another quick snack, which is going to be waffle with ice cream and some fruits. So for this, I have waffles, a packet of waffle, but I'm just going to use two of it. And ice cream of your choice. I have here only toffee and vanilla, one banana, chocolate syrup, and some sprinkles. So banana can be replaced with either strawberries, kiwi, or any fruits of your choice. Let's get started. Now that I have taken the waffles out from the packet, I'm going to put it in the toaster for 2 minutes, and once it is done, I'll show you how to put it in the plate with fruits and ice cream. I have the waffles toasted here for 2 minutes in the bread toaster, so I'm going to top it up with some ice creams. So now I'm going to top it up with some bananas. And even strawberry would go fine with this. And some chocolate syrup on the top. And some sprinkles. So again, this is optional. So I just want to make it a little colorful. Some pink colors as well. And we are done.